Hi guys! Welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question number 8 part A of the 047822 February-March 2023 past paper. The question is, this flowchart represents an algorithm to find the average value of a number of sales. Complete the trace table using this data. 5.50, 3.40, 6.25, 3.85, minus 11.00, and 0. Let's dive into this flowchart, which shows an algorithm for calculating the average value of a number of sales. It uses a simple loop to keep adding sale values until a 0 is entered, and then it calculates the average. We are given a set of sales data, 5.50, 3.40, 6.25, 3.85, negative 11.00, and finally a 0. Let's walk through it step by step. First, the number of sales starts at 0, and the total is also 0. We input sales value as 5.50. That's added to the total, and the number of sales increases by 1. Next, we input 3.40. The total becomes 8.90 and number of sales increases to 2. Then sales value of 6.25 brings total to 15.15 and number of sales to 3. Then 3.85 makes total as 19.00 with number of sales as 4. And then a negative sales value of minus 11.00 makes total dropping to 8.00 with number of sales of 5. Now we input 0, which signals the end of the loop. The algorithm calculates the average, 8.00 divided by 5 sales, which gives us an average of 1.6. Finally, the output is displayed, average sale value 1.6. Great! We have calculated total and number of sales in our question and ultimately calculated and displayed the average. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. See you with the next question. Have a nice day.